Sir, Madam, good morning. I'm Gina Marie Relatado, 33 years old, a married woman, a college level. Work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money to provide the needs of my family to sustain their daily living.
Okay, Mrs. Relatado, there are some questions for you to answer. When employer gets angry to your mistake and shout to you, what will you do?
I will ask my employer what is my mistake, then I will ask sorry for that mistake and I will not do it again.
Okay, very good. If baby cries at midnight, what will you do?
I will wake up, then I will check the baby. Maybe she needs something, like she's hungry, or she need or he need to change her diaper.
Okay, how you assist the children in crossing the street?
I will hold the hands of the children, then look side by side if there's car or anything, a vehicle. Then before we will cross the street.
Very good. What will you do with the clothes before washing?
I will segregate the clothes white to the colored, then wash it the water and put it in the washing machine.
Okay, Mrs. Relatado, if the children gets injury or fever, what will you do?
If that happen, I will call my employer. I will ask her or him, what will I do that the child is like she's injured or she had a fever. I would ask him what I will going to do so that I will know what I'm going to do to the child.
If any serious matter happen to your family, will you go home?
If that case that will happen, I will ask the permission of my employer. If she wants me to go home, she allows me, then I will go home. If not, I will not go home.
Okay, will you agree to renew another contract if employer requests you?
Yes, I will, ma'am, and I'm very pleasure.
Okay, Mrs.
For them.
Relatado, what is your promise to your future employer if they will choose you to be their helper?
Sir, madam, if you choose me to be your helper, I will promise that to be responsible, patient, and trusted. I will do my I will do the task that you've given to me heartily accept. Thank you, sir, madam. Have a nice day.